Good evening friends, I am Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel AceFin. Today we will be discussing about how Nifty and Bank Nifty have performed today, that is 3rd of February, Thursday, first week of this February monthly expiry, and how Nifty and Bank Nifty can perform tomorrow, that is 4th of February, Friday. Before we go to Nifty and Bank Nifty, let's look at the world indices. If you look at Germany, France and United Kingdom, all the three European indices are trading in red. China traded in red on 28th of January, which is the last trading session for China, as Chinese government has declared holidays, trading holidays on behalf of Chinese New Year. If we talk about US, in the last trading session, US traded in green and closed in plus 0.5% to 1% range. However, right now the Facebook has declared their results and they are trading lower, because of which the US indices and the US futures have been trading in red. If we talk about the FIs and DIs data for today, the FIs were net sellers of around 1597 crores and DIs were also net sellers of 370 crores. So from the numbers also we can see that we can actually interpret that a red candle must have been formed, and that's what exactly has happened today. A huge red candle has been formed and Nifty has lost approximately 1.24% from the previous day closing. Now, if we talk about Nifty as of now, SGX Nifty is trading slightly lower than Nifty's closing for today, and US futures are trading in red. So, tomorrow we can expect a gap down opening, and we can again see a red candle over here before we move higher. Now, we need to see what happens tomorrow, but for that we need to see 15 minutes chart to understand the price action. So today what happened, as we discussed in the previous video, that 17,800 to 820 will be a huge resistance, and this is because a lot of call writing was happening in this zone. Okay, and we saw exactly what we expected to happen in the last video. You can see the video in the I button as well as towards the end of the video. The previous day video we discussed that this is a major call writing zone, and from there we have seen a one-sided fall in Nifty. If we talk about the levels which were respected today, and it was 17,700 as well as 17,600, so these two levels were respected. However, Nifty was spending time at these levels and hitting these levels again and again, and whenever a level is hit a couple of times by candles, then that level is weak, termed as weak, and that's what we have seen over here. A beautiful downward fall has come in Nifty, and Nifty closed at 17,560. Now, the possibility for tomorrow is we will open gap down, and if we open gap down or even if we open flat, then definitely we will see somewhat selling coming up to the level of 17,400 to 420, which would be the first support level. The second support level would be at 17,350 to 370, and the next support level would be at 17,250 to 260 level. So these are the levels on the support side. If we open gap up or if we take a sharp U-turn, then the first resistance would be at 17,600, the second resistance would be at 17,700, and the third resistance would be at 17,800. So this is the huge resistance zone. Let's look at the option chain to validate the levels. If we talk about option chain, we cannot see a lot of data as of now because data will be developed by tomorrow for this coming week expiry. If we see 17,800 is a major call writing zone, as well as 18,000 level, we have seen that this is a major psychological level which has been respected by Nifty a lot of times, and from here Nifty has shown some kind of profit booking, and here we can see 65,000 contracts have been written by the call writers. If we talk about the put writing zone, major put writers are standing at 17,500, and after that a lot of call writers are seen at 17,000. So for this week 17,000 to 18,000 would be the approximate trading range. If we talk about Bank Nifty was comparatively stronger than Nifty, and the candle which is formed is not as depressing as Nifty's candle, and Bank Nifty has just lost 320 points. So Bank Nifty opened at 39,255, closed at 39,000. So not a major fall was seen in Bank Nifty. But for tomorrow, if we want to trade, we need to see the levels. The Bank Nifty opened somewhere in the middle of resistance and the support zone. From here, the Bank Nifty was hovering in the range of resistance and support up to 12, and from there the Bank Nifty came at support and then took a sharp upward rally up to the resistance level which was given in the previous video. You can check these resistance level was given, and how beautifully the Bank Nifty has respected these levels. And from there, as I have shown in the Nifty's video, whenever the candles hit the same resistance or support, that thing gets weakened. Here 39,100 level was hit 3 times, in fact 4 times. It was tried to get crossed 4 times by Bank Nifty, and on the fourth time it actually got broke and came up to the level of 39,000, and Bank Nifty gave a closing of 39,010. So if we open gap down tomorrow, then the first support would be at 38,700 to 38,750. The second support would be at 38,450 to 38,500, and the ultimate support would be at 38,130 to 38,150. If we open gap up, which is a very rare possibility, or if we take a sharp U-turn, then the first resistance would be at 39,100 level, the second would be at 39,360 to 380 level, and the third would be at 39,500. So these are the levels for tomorrow. If we look at the option chain of Bank Nifty for the next week, 39,000 is a major psychological level, but here we are seeing almost equal call and put writing happening, so I'm pretty sure that this level will be broken. If we talk about the call writers, major call writing is happening at 39,500 and 40,000 level. So these are the levels for the call writers where they are having a strong grip. If we talk about the put writing zone, 39,000 is the zone which will be broken possibly tomorrow, and these put writers have to look for a they will be pushed back by the call writers, and then the major call writing and the put writing would be seen at 38,500 level, 38,000 to 39,000 to 40,000. So these are the three critical strike prices where we will see a lot of activity happening in Bank Nifty, and 39,000 is the ATM strike price as of now. So I can say that 1,000 downwards to 1,000 point upwards would be the range for the Bank Nifty in this coming week. So that's all for today's video, friend. If you like the channel, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you like my stocks recommendations, please follow my Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.